Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Raft Lost at sea. Your journey begins by collecting vital resources floating around you. Use your crafting menu to build a plastic hook, which is crucial for reaching items further away. Next, prioritize a simple water purifier to stay hydrated and a basic grill to cook any raw food you find. These initial steps are fundamental for your survival on the vast ocean. Once you have secured basic survival, focus on expanding your raft. Use collected wood and plastic to enlarge your platform, providing more space for new structures. Build a research table to discover new crafting recipes and tools. A fishing rod will offer a reliable food source, and storage boxes are essential for keeping your growing inventory organized and accessible. As you progress, resource management becomes key. Always ensure you have enough food and fresh water to avoid starvation or dehydration. Be vigilant for shark attacks. Craft a spear to defend your raft and yourself from this constant threat. When you spot small islands, anchor your raft and explore them for unique resources and valuable blueprints to further your progress. For advanced survival, gain control over your movement. Craft a sail and rudder to steer your raft in desired directions. A permanent anchor is vital for stopping near islands or points of interest. Continue researching to unlock more advanced tools and equipment, preparing you for longer voyages and deeper exploration of the ocean's mysteries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.